So if we take out the low of the day today on LK, it's a very fast run up. We're having a pretty normal pullback. If I go over here and look at the moving averages on the daily chart, the 50 EMA is at 35.68. And that will be one of the first times that LK has interacted with the 50 in a while. So that's going to be a little bit of a pausing point, but I can almost say for a high degree of certainty that LK is going to come back to at least 32 before earnings and then give you an opportunity for a bounce. I like the company long term. I'm definitely a big fan. I think a lot of people are keeping a very close eye on LK. And one of the things that I would consider doing on it, if you want to own some shares, is there's a lot of premium for a March put sale. There is tons of premium for March. So selling a put somewhere down here, I mean, if you do like a 22.50 put sale for March right now, gets you $1.80. I mean, that's incredible. That is really incredible. So if you're looking at selling some puts on LK, that's probably the level that I would do it. That is over earnings, but you are getting a lot of premium if you want to buy some shares at $22. Kyle says, you may have answered this already. Is today's webinar recorded for future viewing? It is, and it is and is, yep. Yes, yes, and yes. Mason says, the webinar today has been great so far. Very educational. Beautiful news. Thanks, man. I appreciate that.